For foundation, I'm taking the new designer brand's Luminous Hydrating Foundation. This is great because it's super natural coverage, but still doesn't weigh my skin down and does hydrate, and it gives a nice luminous glow to my skin as well. I'll be using two different ones. I'll be using both from Maybelline, the Age Rewind under my eyes and just to highlight the center of my face because that gives great coverage and it's super lightweight under the eyes. And for spot concealing, because it's very full coverage, this is the Master Conceal by Maybelline as well. To set that foundation down, I'm using the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder just all over my face on a big fluffy brush because it gives like a good amount of setting powder, but it doesn't like dry out my skin. And then I grabbed a smaller angled brush, put that for under my eyes because it sets it better than that big brush does. For contour slash bronzing, I'm using the Essence Get Picture Ready contouring palette. This thing is great. It's really, really affordable. And I just grabbed the middle shade just to sort of glowed up my skin because it gives a nice buildable color rather than like a super impactful color. So I like that about it. To blush up my skin, I went with a mauvey purpley shade from Milano. This is Dolce Pink and I actually really like it. For the brows, I'm filling them with my tried and trusted Chi Brow Pomade in dark brown. This stuff is getting a little old as you can see by the palette, but it does a great job of filling them in and it's really fun to use. For my glow up, I'm using the Essence Glow To Go highlighting palette and I'm taking the two lighter shades and mixing that together. But first I sprayed my brush with the Rimmel setting spray and oh my lord, this was absolutely stunning. That glow was real. For the eye makeup, I kept it really, really simple. I just went in with the same bronzer we used on the rest of our face into the crease. It really blew that out so it was really soft and smoky looking. And then for the lid colour, I just chose one single colour from Colourpop. This was the Weenie shade from their Supershock colour line. It's beautiful. It's like a coppery brown shade, stunning colour. And then I used the highlighter from our face in the inner corner of our eyes as well. And to top it off for mascara, I use the Essence Lash Princess in the False Lash Effect. It's like a green one. I think it's like a different version to what they usually have. For the lips, I kept it traditionally full and doing that standard purpley mauve colour lip. I'm lining my lips with the Essence Contouring Lip Liner in PS We Heart Berry. And for a hydration boost on my lips, I actually added the Colourpop Ultra Lip in Finders Keepers. And of course, to finish the whole look off, I sprayed a rather large amount of the hashtag Fix and Go Prime and Set Spray by Rimmel London. So this is the final makeup look. It is a fresh, glowy, sort of natural, but still that classic fall look with a darker lip. The whole outfit I'm wearing right now is under $50, which is nuts. These suede caramel booties is from Kmart. They're $12. They're super comfortable. High-waisted embroidered skirt, also from Kmart. It is a little bit poochy down below, but it's alright. And my knit jumper is $20 from Kmart. My Baker Boy hat is $5 from eBay, which is nuts. If you like these, get ready with me. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all next time. Mwah!